We have peppers from the garden that I am going to use today to dehydrate. So here we go. First we wash them. You take your pepper and I will cut the top off. Pop out the center stem. This I'll just put on my dehydrator this size. This I will clean the center out. Big spoon. Nothing special. This will go in my junk bin, remotely cleaned out. And then I will slice it in half and cut them into about 1/4 inch thick pieces. Once I have them sliced, I just add them to my dehydrator in a whole bunch of different random pattern. Doesn't really matter, just throw them. There, all of the peppers are on the dehydrator. I am putting the cover on, plugging it in, and my setting is at 145 Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. That is between, for my personal dehydrator, fruits and vegetable setting. So now we just sit and wait. Getting closer. Here is our mason jar full of dehydrated peppers.